The Indian Army is not only one of the strongest but also the world's third largest armed force. But have you ever wondered what about the vehicles used by the Indian Army which helps our soldiers reach the toughest corners? Well, here it is. Number 1, Royal Enfield Bullet 500. The name Bullet and Royal Enfield are not new for the Indian Armed Forces. Before becoming popular amongst West Delatis, Royal Enfield was the first and the oldest vehicle supplier to the Indian Army. The journey with the armed forces started in 1949 when just after the partition, the Indian government was in dire of a tough and durable vehicle to protect their borders, and since then the Royal Enfield Bullet has been an integral part of the Indian armed forces. Number 2, Maruti Gypsy. The Maruti Gypsy has been an integral part of the Indian armed forces and is one of the most favored vehicles of them. All as the Maruti Gypsy is a light utility vehicle which makes it easy to handle in the tough mountains of Kashmir and the Northeast. Additionally, the Gypsy also comes with a soft top option allowing it to be converted into a moving recoilless gun carrier and can also accommodate fully armed soldiers at the back. However, there was one time when the Gypsy was replaced by the Tata Safari Storm, but due to its heavy weight and bulky size, the decision was then dismissed, and the Maruti Suzuki Gypsy still is the Indian Army's most preferred vehicle. Number 3, Mahindra Rakshak. The Mahindra Rakshak is nothing but a heavily customized version of the Mahindra Jeep CJ7 off-roader. The heavy-duty vehicle has the power to neutralize various compact zone threats and can be mounted with an MMG and is covered by a ballistic shield making it bulletproof on all four sides. Under its hood, the Rakshak comes equipped with a 2.5-liter diesel engine capable of generating 75 HP while paired to a 5-speed manual shift 4-wheel drive transmission system. This compact ready vehicle is mainly used for city combat operations, patrolling in war zones and rear control. Number 4, Tata Safari Storm. Well, this is where the tough meets the Indian Army. The Tata Safari Storm GS800 has undergone a complete makeover and has been specially designed to meet the requirements of the Indian Army. Before taking it on board, the Indian Army had specially appointed a batch of 4 highly skilled officers to test if this full-size off-roader was fit to join the army. The car was tested for almost 15 months on varied terrains across the country before it was commissioned into the forces. The army version of the Safari offers 60% higher payload, over 70% higher power and over 200% higher torque, making it an ideal vehicle for high altitude drive, traversing snow-bound regions, crossing desert to the marshy lands. Number 5, Polaris Sportsman Big Boss 6x6. The Polaris Big Boss 6x6 ATV has been an integral patrol vehicle of the Indian Army in the Northeast region and the Extreme region. It is specifically built to carry small loads of cargo and supply essential during long patrol trips in combat zones. It can also adopt several configurations depending upon the mission at hand. Number 6, Toyota Fortuner. The Indian Army calls the Fortuner its bully machine, all thanks to its rugged and big looks, and just like the Tata Safari Storm, the Army version of the Toyota Fortuner has also been specially designed according to the requirements. The Army version comes equipped with the best-in-class radio communication equipment and is commonly used by the Indo-Tibetan Border Police for patrolling. Under its hood, it features 2755cc diesel engine capable of producing 174 HP with 420 Nm of peak torque. Number 7, Mahindra X. This is an Indian Army vehicle innovated by Mahindra especially for corps of electrical and mechanical engineers and was unveiled as a replacement for the Windy 505. This state-of-the-light combat vehicle comes equipped with a medium missile gun, a medium machine gun and a state-of-the-art GPS. The Mahindra X light combat vehicle is a high-mobility fast attack vehicle capable of operating in rugged terrain carrying surveillance equipment and armament.